Hello everybody, welcome back to Northern Forge and Timber. Today is super exciting. I just got the gate project finished. This is part 2 of that project. So the other day I built the 2 steel gates, and then today I built the 2 wooden fences and mounted them. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, stick around and we'll get into it. So I've got the trenches dug for both sides, and I've got the short pieces of fence built that are going on either side of the gate. My camera ran out of battery yesterday, so I didn't really get any footage of me building these. But yeah, so I have the top 2x6 and the bottom 2x6 lined up with where the hinges are going to go on the gate itself, and then I glued everything with construction adhesive and screwed it all together, and then I have this diagonal brace that I notched into the posts. So right now I am wrapping the 6x6s in some 6mm poly, and that is just to act as a safeguard against the frost. So if the frost grabs the post, it will just slide on the poly and it won't actually be able to grab it and pull it out of the ground. And then, just as another thing, I'm adding these short pieces of 2x6 onto the bottom, and that will add a bit of I don't know if you'd call that an anchor or what you call that, but I'm going to put it on the inside of this, so that when the gate is on here, it's going to be pulling the post kind of in, and so that will just push that 2x6 into the dirt more, and then that will help it keep from getting pulled out of the ground. So I'm going to wrap the 4 posts in poly, get the blocks put on them, and then we'll set them in the trench and get them leveled. Okay, so I've got the first fence installed. It's plumb and level, and I've backfilled it all the way, and I just got the second fence set into place, and then I've used the transit here to make sure that the top of each fence is at the same height, so that when the gates are installed that they line up with each other. And if you're not familiar with the transit, it's basically like a scope, and it's got a little bubble on here to level it, and then it has crosshairs in it, so once you have it level, those crosshairs shoot out on like a perfectly level plane, so then I can take a shot from here and then take a shot from over there, make sure that they're the same. And then I've used a string line to make sure that they're in line, like front and back. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, so I'm going to start backfilling that other one and packing it as I go and keeping it plumb and level, and then yeah, we'll be on to the next step. All right, second one is in place. got them both backfilled, packed. So the next step is another little piece of fence. I'm going to go back this way 6 feet on both of them, so it'll make like a little L, and then that way when the gate is open I can strap it back to those and they're not like waving around in the wind. So I got them marked out, and I'm going to dig some more holes. Alrighty, all the woodwork is done, so I'm going to set the camera up, and you guys can watch as I install the gates. Alrighty, just got the gate finished. Got both gates mounted. Super happy with the way it turned out. I was a little bit nervous about the spacing between them, but ended up with like a 2-inch space, which super happy with that. And with my tensioners, I had about a 3-inch variance, but I just tightened one a little bit and loosened the other, and now it's lined up perfectly. Super happy with the way that turned out. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed.